welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna take you along my art journaling process, how I do it, how I like to do it. For those of you who don't know what art journaling is, it's basically journaling but in a visual manner. An art journal is your visual diary. You put your ideas, your emotions, your feelings, everything in it, but in a creative way through art. You don't write it down like you do in a normal journal. You just paint your emotions and your ideas and your feelings and everything that you have in your head. The difference between a sketchbook and an art journal is just that when you're painting in your sketchbook, you're painting with a purpose. Maybe to practice, maybe to learn something new. Maybe you know exactly what you want to paint. But when you're painting in your art journal, it's going with the flow. Just getting everything that's in your head, everything, the stuff that is going on in your head, you're trying to get it out. You're putting it in your art journal. It helps with stress. It helps you unwind. It does create a sense of self-awareness. It helps you get to know about yourself more. These are some of the benefits of journaling. It's a very relaxing, therapeutic process. There's no pressure. You don't have to paint something specific. Nothing is right or wrong when you're painting in your art journal. You can use any art form that you like. You can paint with any medium that you like, mixed media. You use your pencil. You have a pen, use that. Just a pen is enough. You can paint, you can play with textures, you can paste stuff, you can use newspapers. You can use almost anything and everything in the world in your art journal, and it will still be right because it's your art journal. There are no rules to art journaling. There are no strict guidelines. It's just completely you. What I love the most about it is when I am working on a commission, when I am working on something new. And sometimes, you can't always go out to get inspiration. There are days when I don't feel like going out to get inspiration. You just scroll through your phone mindlessly. That is when this art journal helps you out. You can always get back to it, check out what you've done, and it can inspire you anytime. It has your own art in your own style. If you're someone who's struggling to find your own art style, then I suggest start art journaling. It's gonna help you find your style sooner. The journal that I'll be using today is this one. It's a basic black leather journal. I really like it. It's from MENORAH Stationery. They have a lot of different sizes and shapes in it. They also have the spiral bound one, but I prefer this hard bound one. Apart from this, the pages are pretty thick, so it helps me decide my medium. I can even use light washes of watercolor on this. It's a mixed media sketchbook and it's 180 GSM. The paper is good quality. If you want to get this, I'll link it down below. It's available on Amazon and their own website. Here is my code. You can use this and get a discount on your purchases. I have nothing in mind right now. I'm really just gonna go with the flow and see how it turns out, what we get at the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this, and if you try art journaling for the first time or you get inspired by this video, don't forget to post your art and tag me on your posts on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle and I would love to share it on my stories. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do. It would mean a lot to me. Without wasting any more time, let's just get into the video.
but now I